Welcome back to the channel, guys. So I have moved over to Walleye. I was here the other night and it was a little bit of a grind. I missed like 5 or 6. I did manage to keep one. It was a little over 15. But I'm at Sacandaga Lake and I was spotting a whole bunch. So hopefully I can do better this time. Last time I was here the weather was just terrible, but we'll see what I can do. Alright guys, so right off the bat, I just spotted some walleyes. I know it's, night fishing and it's kind of hard to see, but I'm trying to have as much light as possible for you guys. So I'm gonna throw half a night curler on this, and it's a what is it, pink and yellow and white moon eye jig head, and they work out pretty well. So let's get down there. There's a couple of them. If I can get this guy to chew here. You can see their eyes right on the top of the surface here. Ugh. These rock bass are everywhere, man. I was catching a couple of them here the other night too. Oh, little guy. Turn my headlight off. It's bugging him. Snag. I lost my worm. Sure did. Leader's frayed a little. I'm gonna retie. That's a walleye. No, it's not. Big rock bass. Smallie? Maybe? Oh, big rock bass. That thing had head shakes. Just like a walleye. Oh my god. Probably my biggest rock bass in a very long while. Wrap me all up. He choked that thing. Oh man, I got really excited. I'm gonna say that's the fastest I hooked a walleye here. Been here, I don't know, 5-10 minutes. It's a decent rock bass. Throw him back. Another rock bass. Just get to it a lot quicker than the walleyes. This spot right here I know has a lot of those. I might have to move over about 50 feet or so. A lot of activity over here.
Ooh.
Did I scare you?
What's that? No, we used to fish off that all the time. Catching any?
I'm seeing like 20 of them right here.
Really?
Yeah, just a bunch of rock bass get to them first. But they're here. I was here last night and they were all loaded over there, here. What's that?
Are you just jigging for him?
Yeah, with a nightcrawler and a UV moon eye.
That's what I got him to do. That's what we did.
Yeah, I couldn't really like sight fish them last night. I really had to cast out into the dark water and retrieve it slow. Yeah, they like to make circles though. You probably know. Right up in that corner there. Okay. There's a couple of walleye right here. I'm trying to whisper and be very quiet. Oh, I don't like it. Oh, he got himself stuck in a hole. He's gonna break off. I gotta get down there. Yep. That was very sloppy. My line's stuck around my hat. Oh boy. First cast right over him. Just annihilated it. Where's my stuff? I'm all over the place. Okay. Whew. That'll get the blood going. Oh, that was a good hook set. Right there. Made the right move coming down here. Nice one. It's going home. It's probably about 16. 17. Alright guys, so currently in my car, I just packed all my gear up. It's currently going on 12:45 a.m. A little recap, I got that one walleye. I didn't get a measurement on film. It was 18 inches. I did measure it afterwards. I wasn't really concerned about getting a measurement unless you guys wanted one. But I knew that fish was obviously over 15, so I did see a couple walleyes that were probably 28 plus inches. A lot of them are just staggered along the rocks. For the most part, they're kind of hard to get to because of the dense woods that are around it, and private property. Would be a little better if I had my waders on, but I didn't. I don't know, I might try to come up here with my kayak at some point, or do a couple more videos for you guys on this lake for walleye, or maybe somewhere else. But I think pretty soon I'm gonna start switching over to some trout fishing and see where that goes. If there is a particular type of fish you want me to try to catch, just leave it in the comments, and most likely I will find the time to do that for you guys. But with that being said, I got about an hour drive, a little over an hour drive home. Gotta get that walleye filleted up and go to sleep. So if you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.